A baby who has 7 needles in her body will have to wait a little longer to have them removed at the Moi Teaching and Referral Hospital in Eldoret County. MTRH CEO Dr. Wilson Aruasa has said that a team of pediatric specialists is conducting investigations and will only operate once they have a full understanding of how best to execute the job. Aruasa added that if the patient is taken to theatre without proper investigations, the situation could be more fatal. Police in Kapenguria and officers from the Department of Social Services were preparing a report that would assist in their examination.